This is lesson 2-5, equations with the variable on both sides. So our procedure is as follows. You want to find the term that contains a variable that has the smallest coefficient. A reminder that the coefficient means it's the number in front. And you want to eliminate that particular term using the addition or subtraction property of equality, whichever one is dictated necessary. From there, you'll solve the equation just like you would any other equation that has been done so far. Let's take a look at some examples. One I will do with you, and one you'll do on your own. So here's the example I'll do with you on your own. 3x plus 6 equals 5x minus 4. First thing we want to do, as always, is to drop a mirror, reminding us that whatever we do to one side has to be done to the other. We have two terms that contain x. In this case, this term right here, the 3x, is the one that is smaller. That's the one I want to take care of. I pick on the smaller one because it is less likely then that I will have to deal with negatives. Now, I'll show you, you can always do it the other way, but it's much simpler dealing with the smaller one. So I'll subtract 3x from both sides. Notice I'm lining up the like terms where I can. Now, the 3x is gone. I'm left with 6 equals 2x minus 4. 5x minus 3x is 2x. Remember to keep the x. We do not eliminate variables when we are adding and subtracting. From here, it's just a regular two-step equation. I'm going to add 4 to both sides using the addition property of equality. That gives me 10 equal to 2x. And I'll divide by 2 on both sides using the division property of equality to get 5 equal to x. Now, as I stated previously, again, it really doesn't matter which one you use, but I'll show you what happens when you eliminate the bigger one. So if I decided this time that I want to eliminate the 5x on both sides, now I'm dealing with a negative 2x plus 6 equals negative 4. Now, subtraction property of equality dictates I'll subtract 6 from both sides. And we have negative 2x equal to negative 10. And dividing by negative 2 gives me x equal to 5. And as you can see, no matter what way I did it, I got the same answer. However, take a look at the left side versus the right side. Look at the number of times I had to switch the sign on the left side, 0, and the number of times I had to do it on the right side, twice. Once here with the 3x minus 5x, and then a second time here with dividing by a negative. 2 times I had to switch the sign, and quite frankly, not really necessary as long as you eliminate the smaller one first. Here's an example for you to do. Pause the video at this point to give yourself a chance to try it on your own. Drop my mirror to start. 8x is smaller than 10x, so that's the one I will eliminate. I'm left with 2x minus 4 equals 12. Add 4 to both sides to get 2x equal to 16. And dividing by 2 gives me x equal to 8. Of course, at this point, if I haven't memorized my properties, I want to be putting those in as well. And also checking my work. If you have any issues in any portion of this lesson, please make sure you are emailing me or consulting me in class.